Hackathon 2021, which is an interministerial initiative organized by Ministry of Education's Innovation Cell with support from AICT and other ministries. A true welcome is never complete without warm words and warmer gestures. I request our director, sir, to give the welcome address. Sir, please. Deshmukh, sir, I'd like to hand
Hello?
over. Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay, okay,
Yes,
fine.
sir.
या देवी सर्वभूतेषु विद्यारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै नमो नमः. Respected Honorable Dr. M.K. Verma, Honorable Vice Chancellor, Chhattisgarh Swami Vivekananda Technical University, respected Shri I.P. Mishra Sir, Chairman Shri Gangajali Education Society, Madam, respected Madam Jaya Abhishek Mishra, President Shri Gangajali Education Society, all members, the Institute Coordinator, Dr. Shimpi Railan Madam, Dr. Chinmay Chandrakar Sir, Dr. Vinay Jain, all members of the committee, Taekwondo 2021 committee, all faculty members, and especially my dear participants who are participating in this AICT Taekwondo 2021. This is a one special hackathon in line of the hackathon is being organized, and this has been initiated under the Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan by our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji. On the line of this Hackathon 2021 is an interministerial uh, initiation organized by the Ministry of Education Universal Cell, supported by AICT, then the Ministry of Women and Child Development, Ministry of Commerce and Industry, Ministry of MSME, Ministry of Textiles, and Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. The objective of this Taikathon 2021 is to invite the innovative minds to conceptualize the novel ideas on the toys and games based on basically, especially on Bharatiya civilization and history, culture, mythology, and ethos. This is a one very important initiative where all the students, staff members, startups, and other people, those who have the innovation in the field of toys, that can be conceptualized in a prototype model, and this will be the very helpful for the country. The reason is that the country has a
Has
market of
a
1.
market of 1.
The
The
country has a market of around 1.5 billion dollar, which is generally primarily dominated by the foreign toys. Therefore, this is a very good opportunities for our innovative minds, particularly the young minds, to conceptualize these ideas for the toys based on our Indian culture. Uh, uh, this Shankaracharya Technical Campus, it is a very old institution of the 22 years history. All the UG branches have been accredited and re-accredited by National Board of Accreditation, New Delhi. The institute has been ranked by the NAC with an A grades. Also, the institute has been ranked under the NRIF ranking framework in the band of 250 to 300. And moreover, the institute has a very good innovative and innovative cell, which supported by the incubation center, supported by MSME, where the number of students are doing this type of a job. Also, the institute has been organized the hackathon at the state level for the all students and the others throughout the country since last 2017, 17, 18 batches. Every year we are organizing hackathon. Therefore, we have very good experience for this. And here I assure all participants that all the facilities, digital mode as well as on the physical modes are available for your ideas conversation and for all supports. Here I congratulate and at the same time I extend my best wishes to all participants for this particularly this participants for their novel ideas, and I hope all will enjoy and will give a fruitful result. Therefore, once again, I welcome all honorable members, all students, all participants, and especially all evaluator judges in this program. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir, for your warm welcome, which you have accorded to all the dignitaries and evaluators, and of course, our participants. Thank you once again. Education is the passport to the future, for tomorrow belongs to those who prepare it today. So, now the person who has consumed himself to change the society and light the darkness in the life of children, the chairman, Sri Gangajali Education Society, Sri I.P. Mishra sir, is requested to address the audience. Please, sir.
Respected our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Dr. M.K. Verma, I hope he has joined this, and Srimati Jaya Abhishek Mishra, President of the Society, Dr. Deshmukh, Madam Ralan, and all the head of departments who have joined this conference, and also our dear participants. It's a matter of great pleasure for all of us to inaugurate this hackathon of this 2021, which has been sanctioned by the All India Council of Technical Education. And I am happy to note that our institutions and our participants have been doing extremely well in number of places wherever we have gone. I understand that some time back, we have participated in the Kharagpur and other areas, and we have placed our positions there in All India ranking. We have been doing very good, and our institution has been providing a very good platform for our persons who is going for the brainstorming their ideas and then further implementing those ideas into the practical scenario. In this time, the country and the world as a whole is facing a very difficult period, that is this corona. In spite of that one, we have been able to organize this one, and I am sure that the participants will be doing very well. And this hackathon, whatever we are organizing, will will get a position in the country as a whole. With these words, I once again congratulate the organizers and also place my good wishes to the participants who have joined this function. Thank you very much. And I will place on the card to our Honorable Vice Chancellor that in spite of so much busy, he has been able to join this virtual meeting today. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you
Thank you,
so
sir.
much,
Thank you
Mishra
very
sir,
much.
for your words of wisdom. Uh,
सर ज्वाइन कर
to
वर्मा सर
participants,
ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं, वर्मा सर ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं.
ऑलरेडी ज्वाइंट देशमुख
अच्छा
साहब
सर सर सर
good
वेलकम
हाँ,
morning,
सर.
sir.
आप
Good morning,
वेलकम
आपके
सर.
sir.
स्पीच से मैं देख रहा हूँ बराबर थैंक यू गुड
अच्छा
मॉर्निंग
सर 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 सर.
Very good
जी
गुड
morning.
मॉर्निंग सर.
So, uh, with us, Jam ma'am is also here. Now, I would like to welcome Madam Jaya Mishra, President of Sri Gangajali Education Society, who has joined this gathering. And welcome, ma'am. Ma'am, we are audible to you. Can you hear us?
Good morning.
Ma'am, would you like to say a few words? Because the success of any mega event is determined by the inspiring presence of our own President, Ma'am Jaya Mishra, who has been the reckoning force for all the quality initiatives in our institute. Without her, all the events would not have been possible. So I invite Ma'am to put forth her views on this Tycothon 2021. Ma'am, please. Ma'am, is the network working?
I think her connection is.
I think, yeah, I guess.
मैम शायद लेफ्ट हो गई मैम.
Okay. Okay, so let us see if we can have in the meantime, and we'll continue the program. On the behalf of the Shankaracharya fraternity, accord warm welcome to our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Sir, of Chhattisgarh Swami Vivekanand Technical University. And Sir's knowledge is as deep as ocean and heart is as broad as infinite skies. It is time to hail such chief guest for the day. Sir, please enlighten us with your address.
Thank you very much. It's really matter of great pleasure for me to be here again with Sri Shankaracharya Group of Institutions, because this is my 6th year. During this past period, I had seen and experienced whatever the novelties are there, whatever the things are needed to be embedded and incorporated in technical education, and whatever the things to be done for implementation of technological knowledge, converting it into the proper shape which is utilizable for the society, for the students. With all these deeds, Sri Shankaracharya always aheaded from other institutes. So it's a matter of pride for the university, for the state, that under the able guidance of Sri I.P. Mishra, definitely this group is growing like anything, whatever we desired, whatever we dream. But still my dreams are far ahead for the institute. As director Sri Deshmukh, Dr. Deshmukh ji is aware, Mishra ji is aware, and of course the institute director Jaya Mishra is also aware. So this is what the background of this particular Tycothon, which we are all together here to observe the inauguration function of this Tycothon 2021. The idea which I appreciated a lot, and it impressed me, that whenever the problem of country is concerned, all the institutes, they should come forward. And we know that how the economy is nowadays a weapon to control the other countries. Today's, it is not the physical war, but it is the war of economy. And by the products, by the economy, we can control the other countries. And in the same series, we find that China is far ahead. They are able to capture the market of Europe, America, and even the Asia, and particularly the biggest market in the world is our India, where more than 135 crores of people are living there. You can imagine what they do. Think about the India as a market. If they are begging just 1 rupee from each of the person in the country, every day they are able to collect 135 crore rupees. So this is the magnitude which they understand it. That's why everybody along the globe is striving hard to capture the market of India. And in this race, we find that China is far ahead. And we had seen for all our occasions, pious occasions, festivals, whatever the things are needed, it is being supplied by the China. Of course, fundamentally, they do have certain basic things in their favor, that they do have very cheapest labor, they do have very cheapest materials, and that's why they are able to capture. Even though every country is aware of it, we are not in position to counter it. And a great portion of trade is inclined in the benefit of China. And in this situation, as technologist, as technological institute, this thought which has come forwarded from your institute, Toykathon. Toys are one of the major component which has been flooded by the Chinas into the country, in our country. If we could come up with the replacement of this with the local and our conventional and traditional, which is somewhere related with our cultural activities, this was the part of our life. In the older days, if we remember, when I was child enough, then we were always used to play the toys of wood. Very simple it was, but it was very fantastically, technologically, it was demonstrating sometimes sound, sometimes movement of round circle, wheels. Many things were there which were very fundamentally and very nicely it was being. And we are fortunate enough that we had utilized it in our childhood. Along with Shri I.P. Mishra ji, he might be agree what type of toy we had played. Anyhow, in the present scenario, when we see that it is being flooded by outside of our country and they are draining away our money, then this is the proper way, proper time which has been ignited by Shri Shankaracharya Group of Institute, that this Toykathon will be coming up with old ideas embedded with new technologies, and it will also go and emphasize towards the glorification of our past culture, their toys, and whatever the customs we were using, it was all related with particular festival. At every festival, a particular type of toy and playings were associated. Just for the Chhattisgarh, in reference to Chhattisgarh, I would like to say we are going to observe Hareli Tyohar next month. In the Hareli Tyohar, you will be finding that all the toys and enjoyments are related with all greeneries of the nature. They used to go for gedi that is being made by the bamboo, and during the period of this mud, this bamboo walking instrument that is already greatly we had, and again we are imbibing it, converting it as per our today's need. And in the same way, many toys are there which are played with a festival and with the season and with the, I will say, with the nature, which is suited to that particular nature and that particular time, whether it is rainy season, whether it is winter, whether it is hot summer. So this is the glorified knowledge, this is the glorified experience, this is all our treasure of our culture, which we do have, which we started to forget. And again, we have to bring it back with the backbone of economy. We have to replace the economy, which is being drained by the outside of our country or foreigners. We have to produce such type of products which will be replacing, which will be giving the joy to our countrymen. So how it can be done? Who is responsible for it? You are responsible for it. I am responsible for it, because we all are related and associated, dedicated towards the domain of technology. If we are not coming forward to aid up with the technology and this toy and toy industries, which is in billions, you will surprise, it is in the billions. That is the magnitude of the business. If we are able to replace it by bringing out such type of Toykathon and bringing out certain products and supporting it through the government and through our institute and university to develop it into a fine and finished product which should be exported, not only used in the country, but it should be exported. I feel that this is the vision behind this Triathlon organization. That's why I am very much pleased out of my heart that this is the way to serve the country, nation, and people of our own nation. I feel, expect, hope, and put my all faith to this particular triathlon that we will be able to come up at least with certain number, significant number of startup which will be developing our own ancient toy and toy industry and will be able to replace it. And in this way, our economy, our technology, our institutes, our universities will be in support to the country, to the nation, and this will be the real worship towards the Bharat Mata. With this hope and confidence, definitely we'll be coming up with certain startup like things. And the same from the university point of view, I will be the happiest person to support them for a startup and looking that particular startup should be flourishing like anything and it should be bringing laurel to the your institutes, your faculties, and the university as a whole. Once again, I congratulate particularly Shri I.P. Mishra sir, who is having his own wide experience, not only in the field of technology, but in the field of nowadays. I am coming across many news that he is dedicatedly working for the medical side also. And there also he is bringing something new, a new dimensions are being developed. So this is how, from the university point of view, as Vice Chancellor, these are my dreams, these are my expectations, and it is bestowed that how Dr. Deshmukh will be bringing it into the reality, into a glorified business and economical support to the country. Thank you very much to everybody. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir,
Thank you very much, sir.
for your views on the aspects of the Indian toy industry and telling us about the Hareli festival and the toys associated with, because India is a land of festivals. So definitely the impact of Chinese toys in India is a big thing. And I also thank you for extending your support to the startups which we have in our institute. And definitely, sir, we are looking forward for your association. Thank you, sir, for accepting our invitation in spite of your busy schedule, sir.
Thank you very
So,
much once again. All the best wishes from my side, and I will be expecting Director Saab that something is coming up, and you will be able to share
Sir.
me at least 10 to 20 toys and
Sure,
possible
sure.
Sir,
startup.
sir. Sure, sir. Sure, sir. Definitely. Thanks. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
so I would like to quote some words. जो सफर की शुरुआत करते हैं वो मंजिल को पार करते हैं, बस एक बार चलने का हौसला रखिए, मेहनती इंसान का तो रास्ता भी इंतजार करते हैं. So with these words, I extend my thanks to one and all for their present and wish all the participants success for this 3-day event. Thank you once again. So with
Thank you.
this, I guess we conclude uh, the inaugural ceremony at our Nodal Center. Thank you all the evaluators also, and I extend all the best to the participants and the evaluators and the jury members for being the part of this program. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
ठीक है.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Sir.
Okay.